Hello, my name is Jamie. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to tell you all about progressive web apps. Since the introduction of progressive web apps in 2015, many companies have taken great advantage of this technology. They're able to deliver high engaging user experiences while at the same time reaching new user bases. The most notable use cases have come from large companies like Twitter, Trivago, Alibaba and Walmart, reporting doubled conversion rates and growing revenues faster than ever. The PWA success stories of these business giants are logically alluring the various small and mid-sized businesses. With the use of progressive web apps, merchants can now provide the same high-converting app-like experience of a native app to a much larger audience on the mobile web, making this a can't-miss technology for businesses of any size. But what actually is a progressive web app? At its core, a progressive web app is a web application that uses the latest web capabilities to deliver a native app-like experience to users. This is a technology that brings consistency between web and native apps and replaces both with a single instance. Historically, native apps provide a much richer experience than the mobile web, creating high engagement with the end user. A progressive web application is a website that looks and behaves in the same way as a native app, which means they're incredibly fast, can be added to the home screen of a smartphone, send push notifications and even work offline. When put in an overview, it looks something like this. A native app can be installed on a home screen of a phone, is extremely fast, can send push notifications and has a full screen experience. It cannot, however, be indexed by search engines, which in my opinion is pretty crucial for e-commerce. Another big disadvantage is that there's not one place to enter content. If you have a native app and a website, you have 3 sources and 3 code bases to maintain: iOS, Android and the actual website. A native app does not work across all devices. When using a native app, please be aware Apple also charges up to 30% Apple tax on the income you make with the native app. Last but for sure not least, did you know that the average amount of apps installed per month is actually 0? Nobody's installing apps. When using a responsive website, it's the opposite. Yes, you have one place to enter content and can serve both desktop and mobile. And yes, you are indexable by search engines. However, you're missing out on some great opportunities for customer engagement such as push notifications, offline mode and adding to home screen. A PWA combines the best of these both worlds. It works across all devices, it is indexable by Google, it can send push notifications directly from the website to mobile devices and it can be installed on a home screen without going through the App Store, but it still has the same experience and look and feel of a native app. A PWA is also extremely fast, it has the same app-like experience as a native app does, with instant results when clicking through pages. And when done right, Google will absolutely love your PWA. With a great user experience and top speed, you will boost your SEO results in no time. As you can see, a PWA can do a lot of things, but as defined by Google, a true PWA should be 3 things: fast, reliable and engaging. Using PWA technology can make your website extremely fast. This is particularly important if you are aware that 53% of people will abandon a page if that takes more than 3 seconds to load. Now you might think 3 seconds is the average of a webshop to load, but then you're wrong. The average page load on a 3G network is 19 seconds. So what can a PWA do for your website's performance? Well, a great example for that is Tinder. After introducing PWA technology, they were able to reduce their app with 90% and made it 7.22 seconds faster, which resulted in more messages, more swipes and longer sessions. Another great feature of PWA is it's fast and it's super reliable. Not only is your site consistent, stable and interactable on flaky networks, it can even function when the network is fully down or very slow. A great example for this is the PWA case of Uber. They were able to load within 3 seconds on a 2G network, which opened a totally new market for them as they couldn't serve their app before in these areas. Now 2G might sound far away, but please be aware that 60% of mobile connections worldwide are on a 2G network. Now the most fun part of PWA, the great opportunity for new engagement. A PWA can be added to a home screen. When your browser recognizes a PWA, it can trigger a prompt asking you to install on your home screen. When accepting, the PWA is installed on the home screen as a true native app, including full screen experiences and splash screens, so no browser shortcuts. But the most fun thing is that we totally skip the App Store. No need to log in, to pay, to submit your app to the store or other complex processes. Just directly installed from your website within 2 clicks. A great business example for why this is so interesting is the case of Flipkart. Flipkart introduced Flipkart Lite, a PWA. The statistics showed a huge improvement as the engagement number was increased to 40% higher than before. The conversion rate was amazing. Home screen icons itself generated 60% of all visits, with 70% of the average users converting to actual customers. Besides adding to home screens, offline modes and extremely fast experience, a PWA can also send push notifications to the desktop and mobile device of your page visitors. The push notifications look and feel like they come from a real native app, and when clicked on, they will guide you to a landing page on the website. This is an amazing opportunity for marketeers to break free from the enormous battle for email marketing, as everybody looks at their phone when a message is coming in. Literally 100% will at least see the message, and with an average click-through rate of 25%, it absolutely beats email marketing in every way. An interesting user case for push notification on PWA would be Lancôme. After introducing PWA technology, 8% of all purchases are made by following a push notification. Additionally, they were able to recover 12% of all abandoned carts just by push alone. Now try to beat that with emails. Now you know all the cool stuff PWA can do. You're probably super eager to try it out for your shop, and luckily you can. We are extremely proud to introduce to you Falcon PWA Storefront for BigCommerce, a fully packed and hosted front-end platform with a PWA out of the box ready for you. You can install Falcon PWA Storefront for BigCommerce in just a few clicks, which will give you a full PWA with your products and including the following features by default. Add to home. A Falcon shop can be installed on a user's home screen and behave like a true native app. Offline mode. The Falcon PWA team fully supports offline mode. Falcon can serve content while the user client is offline. As a developer, you have the total freedom to decide what data will be served in offline mode. You can make your whole assortment available, some blocks, or make a special message appear. Super fast. The Falcon PWA team is extremely fast with optimized performance to the fullest, also on the very first hit. Push notifications. The Falcon PWA team delivers push notification capabilities to your store on mobile and desktop devices. With our product Push Pro, you can start sending push notifications to your website visitors directly from a super easy to use portal. Visual theming capabilities. One of the things that make the Falcon platform unique is its theming capabilities and visual theme editor. This editor shows up on your actual store and you can live change all the assets to see how it looks like. This is perfect for multidisciplinary teams where marketeers and designers work together with developers to create the best look and feel for the shop. To know more about theming with Falcon, I would like to recommend you to watch our video on this subject. Support for custom server worker logic. And for those who are more technical and like the freedom to add their own logic, Falcon makes sure you have the full capability to add any custom server worker logic, without adding complexity or creating complex dependencies. Getting started with Falcon PWA Storefront is very easy. Go to your BigCommerce environment, find Channel Management tab and enable your Falcon PWA Storefront. Within minutes, we automatically install your own Falcon environment, so you can start building the best PWA experience for your customer. When mobile page load time goes from 1 second to 3 seconds, 53% of your visitors are leaving your webshop. When customers get held up by a slow checkout, the sale is at risk. The enhanced user experience and fast page speeds of a progressive web app allow the customer to complete a desired task quickly and efficiently. Falcon PWA Storefront for BigCommerce delivers 2 to 4 times faster page speeds, ensuring hard-earned users to stay engaged and convert while enabling you with the full freedom to build astonishing and highly engaging user experiences. By bringing progressive web app technology to BigCommerce with Falcon, we bring you total freedom and flexibility to build the best for your audience. The future of the web is fast, intuitive, engaging and highly flexible. The future of the web is here. Welcome to Falcon PWA Storefront for BigCommerce. Thank you for watching this video on an introduction to progressive web apps. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on info@deity.io or send me a message on Twitter or Slack.